go from this to this. Welcome back to Fix Everything. Today we're outside again. Summer is here, first part of June, and today I'm taking an old pot and making it new again. This has been outside for about 2 years and it's faded. It's gray. It used to be black. But we're going to take some Krylon Colormaxx and we're going to make it shine again. Don't throw it away. Restore it. This is acrylic latex. You can get it in satin. You can get it in gloss. You can get it in matte. So I went right in the middle and did satin. So you basically just take a standard brush, nothing special, dip it in the paint, of course. So the trick here is to lay on a nice thin coat. If you need to do a second coat, by all means, but don't put a thick one on because it will eventually bubble out here in the sun and it will look terrible because black, as you know, soaks up heat. So 2 thin coats should do it. I actually did one on another one earlier today and it looks great. So I'm just going to leave it at 1 coat, and later on, if it starts to fade a little bit, I will do a second coat. But you know, make sure you get it into the holes here. There's like little grooves, nooks and crannies, much like a Thomas's English muffin. Get your brush in there. Make sure you get a nice seal, a nice fluid coat. And you can go up like this. You could go side to side. I did the upstroke, makes it look a little taller. Don't know if that's true, just made that up. But wow, it looks really good. So this looks like a bell. It's actually upside down. The other part, the base, is right here, which screws in. So this will hold a large plant, and that's what used to be in here. And it was beautiful when we first bought it. But over the years, it faded. And rather than throw it away and go buy another one, these are not cheap. Plastic planters? Holy cow. This one is probably about $75 if you went to the store. I know the smaller ones are in the $20 and $30 range. It's crazy. But petroleum is an all-time high, which is plastic, so that's what they charge. But don't throw it away. Repurpose it. Now we'll do the top edge. It was upside down. Nice even strokes. Nothing crazy. Looks great. Wow. I mean, what a difference. If my voice sounds gravelier than usual, the pollen count here in upstate New York is absolutely off the charts right now. And sneezing is the new pastime. Make sure you get under the lip. Of course, your planter may look different than this one. This will work on all plastics, this Colormaxx paint. It's fantastic. I've used it before. It holds very well. I didn't really even clean this thing that well either, but you might want to run a cloth with some Windex or just some rubbing alcohol, something to clean the plastic. So let's finish this up and we'll do a comparison. Wow, what a difference. So here's the base, not painted, faded, chalky looking, and then we've got the repainted surface, which looks fantastic. Quite a difference. And you saved yourself about $75. I've had this can of paint laying around for, I don't know, a couple years. It actually works well on shutters because it is an indoor-outdoor paint. So if you're going to buy a different paint, make sure it says at least outdoor, because that's where this is going to be. Thanks so much for tuning in. This was a quick one. Don't forget the Electric Light Orchestra Over and Out Tour. That's it for Jeff Lynne this year, so go get your tickets. Have a great day.